Eventually I'll get these gloves on. Everybody here and see okay? I saw somebody had commented already. It's been weird that with Facebook the last couple nights. I don't know if it's just been a slow start to the break or what, but it takes a few minutes before we really get any viewers in here. Like last couple breaks, it's been like 4 people watching for the first 5 minutes, and then it'll finally start popping up. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm seriously debating about switching over to YouTube, and like just keeping the group for just to like have communication and stuff. But I don't know. I like Facebook. There's our box information there. Go all the way down to the black. 133,000 is the odds. Yeah, maybe I should try it. I think I would confuse a lot of people because I've done every single break through Facebook. But if I just advertise it really well that we're switching to YouTube, it'd probably be just fine. Or I could do both. I mean, I could just get another phone and get it all set up. But anyways, we got 5 of these mega boxes. Not sure how long this break will take. Probably about 35-40 minutes or so. Maybe a little shorter. We'll go ahead and get started. Wish you guys the best of luck. Jeez. There we go. Come out perfect with the Mojo packs on the bottom there. I get my sleeves, my top loaders, we're good to go. Alrighty, Juan Soto, Aaron Judge, Mike Yastrzemski, Bo Bichette, Trevor Bauer, Chrome Fredis Nova, and Logan Davidson. Prospects cards there. We got Jordan Walker, Bo Naylor, and Fredis Nova to round it out. Joey Bart rookie, Nate Pearson, Xander Bogaerts, Paul Goldschmidt, Josh Bell, Chrome Edward Cabrera, Ismael Mina, Chrome first. Got Christian Robinson, Matthew Liberatore, and Asa Lacy. Garrett Cole, Austin Meadows, Chris Vubic, Tyler Stevenson rookie, and Anderson Tejada rookie. Got a Royce Lewis Chrome for the Twins, and O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. Brandon Marsh, Denzel Reyes, first paper, and Ismael Mina, first paper as well. Spencer Howard rookie, Ketel Marte, Joey Votto, Keston Hira, Buster Posey, Alexander Ramirez, Bowman first Chrome, and Marco Luciano Chrome. Drew Romo, Keone Cavaco, and Zach Veen for your prospects there. Alright, time for the big ticket, the Mojos. Hopefully we can get some good ones tonight. Vidal Burhan, Mojo for the Rays. Got a Volpe. Nice one for the Yankees there. Rookie of the Year favorites, Casey Mize. Not numbered, but nice looking card. Brennan Davis, Mojo for the Cubs. And Daniel Lynch for the Royals. Hopefully we have a numbered card or an auto here. Nolan Jones. Oh my goodness, what a card there. 35/99, Spencer Torkelson for the Tigers. Ooh, got a little bit shaky in the hands. Nice. Got a futurist Zach Veen insert, Zach Veen Mojo, and a Dominguez. Dang, that's a solid pack right there. I know this isn't his first Bowman, but yeah, those prospects Bowmans for a guy like Dominguez could be good one day. Nice. I don't know who got the Tigers. I don't even remember what they went for, but nice. Torkelson, green Mojo. You just got that swagger with those shades on. Sweet. It's a good way to start it. We didn't get an auto, but it's not a bad one there. Oh, my hand just naturally had that one ready to top load. Just threw it in there automatically. And now we'll go back and sleeve all the rookies, the Mojos, inserts and whatnot. I'll top load some more of them as well. Just try to pick out some of the nicer cards in the break. We went to Sonic today for dinner. Took the boys to Sonic, and they got their little wacky packs, and they had these huge Nerf goggles. They were like blue and orange. They're pretty sweet looking. I definitely got some swag out of those. Matt Chapman, Javi Baez, Whit Merrifield, Joe Adell rookie, Brian Hayes rookie. Got a Bo Naylor chrome and a Casey Martin chrome. There's Nick Gonzalez, Carson Tucker, and Marco Luciano. Luis Garcia, Sixto Sanchez, a couple of rookies there. There's Yordan Alvarez, Jacob deGrom, Mike Clevenger. There's a Jordan Walker chrome and a Wander Franco chrome. A couple of nice ones there. Austin Wells, Elliot Ramos, and Jordan Westberg. Not too bad of a base pack there. The base packs are usually fairly boring, but a little better there. Nick Madrigal, Garrett Crochet, Jose Altuve, Pete Alonso, Manny Machado, Francisco Alvarez, chrome, and Nick Allen chrome for the Athletics. Matt Manning, Hunter Green, and Josh Jung for our prospects there. We got Austin Hayes, Evan White, Yodi Taveras, Jazz Chisholm, Casey Mize, Drew Romo chrome for the Rockies, Seth Beer chrome, quite a few Rockies chrome / Mojos, Logan Davidson, Tristan Cassis, and Ryan Velade. I always say Tristan's last name wrong. Alright, back to the Mojos. Sometimes I want to just open up 100 boxes by myself, pull out all the Mojos, and just do a Mojo-only break, but that's alright. You get some nice rookie papers out of some of those, some nice chrome cards out of the base packs as well. Ronnie Mauricio. Ooh, Ian Anderson. We got a numbered card right off the rip. Purple out of 250, number 91 of 250. Rookie of the Year favorites for the Braves. Oh, nice Bobby Witt Jr. Futurist card there. Marco Luciano for the Giants. And Geraldo Perdomo, Mojo for the D-backs. There's a couple of shortstops there. There we go. Got a Blaze Jordan out of that one. Francisco Alvarez. Rookie of the Year favorite, Sixto Sanchez. Antonio Gomez. Bowman first mojo for the Yankees. And a Garrett Mitchell mojo for the Brewers. Not a bad pack there. Haven't gotten an auto yet. We have got a numbered card out of both boxes, but no auto at the moment. To get a Blaze Jordan though. Yes, George, this is the one you got the Padres and the Twins. No, NBA will be right after this one. I'll shut this video off or make a new video. We'll start at the 15-minute mark of the next hour. So it'd be 12:15 Central. And I'm not sure what time that is in Australia, though. Box got a little boat up at the top there. Ronald Acuna Jr. He's got a hairdo there. Shane Bieber, Christian Yelich, Sean Murphy, Kyle Lewis, Hunter Green, Chrome, Matthew Liberatore, Chrome, prospects George Kirby, Luis Garcia, Ismael Mina, Bowman first paper. Tristan McKenzie, Ian Anderson, Nick Madrigal, Garrett Crochet, Jose Altuve, Francisco Alvarez Chrome. This is the second or third one of him we've got. And we got Jared Kelenic Chrome. So we're getting some decent Chromes out of the base packs. Taylor Trammell, Shane Baz, and Xavier Edwards. I'm not sure, Matthew. I've seen like pre-sale pricing on those, but every time I buy a pre-sale, I always overpay. Like the box price usually comes down afterwards, so that'll be probably a decision I'll have to make after the boxes are actually released. Gleyber Torres, Blake Snell, Yu Darvish, Tariq Skubal, Clark Schmidt, Josiah Gray, Chrome, and Logan Davidson. Deja vu a little bit there. Bobby Miller, Robert Paulson, and Corbin Carroll for the prospects. Jose Garcia rookie, Andres Jimenez, and Dylan Carlson rookies. Miguel Cabrera and Max Kepler. Tyler Callahan, Chrome, and Jordan Groshans, Chrome. Not too bad. Justin Foscue, Jonathan India, and Mario Feliciano. Alrighty. Big money, big money. Nick York, Mojo for the Red Sox. Got Matt Manning, not too bad there for the Tigers. It is numbered. I thought that was purple. Corbin Carroll, Futurist insert, 222 out of 250. Kind of see it up there in the right. I'm wondering where these autos are at, but I guess if we're at least getting numbered cards. Jackson Rutledge and Cade Cavalli, a couple of pitchers to round it out there. Maybe we can get a big Bowman first out of here. Simeon Woods Richardson, Matthew Thompson, a couple of pitchers. Another pitcher here, Christian Javier. Not too bad there for the Astros. Looks like there's a little bit of an extra card coming off the side there. I don't know if you can see that slight line of the left corner of that card. We got Reed Detmers, and this is a pitcher pack here. Finally got Riley Green mojo. So not the greatest compared to those first couple boxes, but got a Corbin Carroll purple futurist insert. Yeah, they come out the same way every time. That's the way I like it. Alright, David Garcia rookie, Jake Cronenworth rookie, Luis Campusano, Ronald Acuna Jr., Shane Bieber, got a Reed Detmers, Chrome, and Jose Salas. Chrome first there. Bo Naylor, Brennan Davis. Oh gosh, that freaked me out. I was like, why is that card upside down? It's probably the best paper we got so far. Austin Martin, Bowman first paper. It's the best one we've gotten so far. We'll go ahead and sleeve and top load it. Add it to the pile. Maybe kind of gentle with the paper ones because they're a little bit thinner there. Austin Hayes, Evan White, Lodi Taveras, Jazz Chisholm, and a Casey Mize. A few rookies out of that one. Shea Langoliers and Isaiah Green are the Chromes. Another Francisco Alvarez. Another Jordan Walker. And not sure why the last card's been upside down both times, but Forrest Whitley this time. Dylan Carlson, Miguel Cabrera. Actually saw a guy pulled a Dylan Carlson out of a national convention pack and like threw it on the table. He was so upset. Thought Dylan Carlson was all right. Miguel Cabrera, Max Kepler, Gleyber Torres, Blake Snell. Got a Matt Manning Chrome, the Tigers, and nice C.J. Abrams Chrome. Denzel Reyes, Bowman first paper, Christian Robinson, and Fredis Nova again there. There was so much coverage from the National. I don't know if some of you guys may have actually been there, but it was just video after video. It's like if I watched a couple of them one night, all the other ones got recommended, and it was just, I could have probably watched National Convention videos for a good 2 days straight. Jorge Soler, Jesus Sanchez, Alex Kirilloff, Jose Garcia, Andres Jimenez. Got a Bobby Witt Jr. Chrome. I will say, we've been getting some decent Chromes out of the base packs. Haven't been hitting like the Chrome first much, but some decent prospects. Xavier Edwards for the Rays. Got a paper Keone Cavaco, Brandon Marsh, and Geraldo Perdomo, I believe this is. Yeah. Alright, Mojo City. Brett Beatty, third base for the Mets. Cade Cavalli, pitcher for the Nationals. Yeah, Nick Gonzalez, futurist insert. for the Pirates. Grayson Rodriguez, mojo for the Orioles. And nice Robert Hassel, mojo for the Padres. Not too bad. I'm not 100% up to date on all the prospects and rookies and whatnot. I try to keep up with it, but all these guys are playing on different levels and evaluated differently, so some guys I may act like are better than others. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Riley Green, mojo. Got a Jackson Rutledge, mojo. Rookie of the Year favorites, Jazz Chisholm. Nice looking card there for the Marlins. Got a Nick Lodolo and Christian Robinson, mojos there. I guess we got a numbered card out of that box or an auto. I think I had one break. We had 3 boxes, like the 2 or 3 boxes where I didn't have a numbered card or an auto. That's why I started doing the bigger breaks, but another one in there. Alright, hopefully we get a nice one to finish it out here. Spencer Howard, Ketel Marte, Joey Votto, Keston Hiura, Buster Posey, got a Chrome Clayton Beater, and Marco Luciano. Seen quite a few Marcos tonight. Alec Thomas, Wander Franco, and Daniel Lynch. Move a portion of the stack over, give myself a little space there. Matt Chapman, Javi Baez, Whit Merrifield, Joey Dell, Ke'Bryan Hayes, Jaron Duran Chrome, and Josh Jung Chrome. Got Tristan Casas, Seth Beer, and Michael Toglia. Luis Garcia, Sixto Sanchez, Yordan Alvarez, Jacob deGrom, Mike Clevenger, Chrome Jeremy Pena, and Jeremy De La Rosa Chrome first for the Nationals. Got Brennan Davis, Logan Davidson, and Jeremy De La Rosa paper first for the Nationals. Nick Madrigal, Garrett Crochet, Jose Altuve, Pete Alonso, Manny Machado, got a Jeter Downs Chrome, and Jose Salas Chrome first. I think we pulled that one already once. Nice Jordan Walker paper, Bo Naylor, and another Austin Martin paper first. We only find a mojo or a chrome. Kind of need another Blaze out there somewhere as well. Here we go. All right. A nice big mojo in here, and then some solid supporting mojos. You got Hinel Choi, mojo first. We haven't gotten a lot of mojo first, so hopefully we load up here. Kevin Alcantara is first. Oh my goodness. I make sure none of his auto got on this one. Jeez Louise. They gave him a chunky marker. Holy cow. Freddie Valdez for the Mets. Good grief. I have never seen an auto that thick. Maybe I haven't seen enough autos, but looked like he was pressing down that pin pretty well. Another Robert Hassel mojo. And, ooh, a Torkelson. That actually wasn't a bad pack. I'm not 100% sure on the Freddie Valdez auto if that's a... I don't think that's a huge one or anything, but some good supporting cards there at least. There's another good one, Jared Kalenic. Nice mojo. Got Emerson Hancock also for the Mariners. Rookie of the Year favorites, Tristan McKenzie for the, I guess it'd be Cleveland Guardians there. Nick Lodolo and Grayson Rodriguez to round it out. So we did get an auto. Like I said, I'm not super familiar with Valdez, but looked like it was just a base auto. Got some decent supporting cards, though. Kalenic, Torkelson, Robert Hassel. What else we get? A couple of Bowman firsts, I believe. Gotta make sure this card goes like right in the center. Sometimes I miss just a hair. I don't know, I get a little irritated when cards are sideways sometimes. Bowman first mojo for the Yankees, and we got one for the Dodgers, I believe. Yeah, not a lot of Bowman first mojos. We might have had half a dozen or so. We got some Bowman first paper and chromes, but not too many mojos. But anyways, we'll go through a recap here. By no means is this all the good cards. This is just some of the better cards. Got a Dominguez mojo. This was probably one of the best cards, or the best card. 35 out of 99, Spencer Torkelson mojo for the Tigers. Rookie of the Year favorites, Casey Mize, also for the Tigers. Got a Volpe mojo for the Yankees. Garrett Mitchell mojo for the Brewers. Antonio Gomez. Man, the Yankees did fairly well. They got a Bowman first mojo of him. Got Blaze Jordan, Bowman first mojo. Got a Futurist, Bobby Witt Jr. Rookie of the Year favorites, Ian Anderson, purple out of 250. Futurist, Corbin Carroll out of 250, also purple. Austin Martin, Bowman first paper. Got a Robert Hassel. We also got another one over there. Rookie of the Year favorites, Jazz Chisholm. Another Austin Martin paper. Jared Kalenic mojo. Spencer Torkelson mojo. Our only auto is Freddie Valdez. It's not numbered. He's got a wild looking auto there. Nice thick pin. Kevin Alcantara, Bowman first mojo. And Hyunil Choi, Bowman first mojo as well. So, not a huge break for all the Bowman first guys. We did pull some nice prospect cards out of there. Some second and third Bowman guys, I felt like. But anyways, I do appreciate you guys jumping in. We'll do the prison break right after this. I'll hop off and hop back on. But anyways, we'll catch you guys later. Take it easy.